All right. So let's look at today's physics, the definition of work. Now, work is defined as the product of force. Work is defined what? As the product of force. Product of force times what? Distance. Are we there? Force times distance. So work is defined as what? The product of what? Force times the distance of the application of that force. So to get a deeper understanding what this thing means is, if you have a plane and you have a mass, say a bag of rice there on that plane or on the floor. Now, how do we measure the work done by carrying this bag of rice? So if you are to lift this bag of rice from this floor, up. If you are lifting it up, the work done in lifting this bag of rice up will be what? The weight of this bag of rice. The weight act that what? The weight of this bag of rice. That will be the weight, and weight is a force. That will be the weight times what? The vertical distance you have moved that weight or that force. And in which vertical distance is called what? Height. So I'm indirectly trying to say that height is the same thing as what? Distance. The difference is that height is what? A vertical distance. A vertical distance. While our regular distance is what? A horizontal one. So height is a vertical distance. So work done in lifting this bag of rice up from the ground will be what? The weight of this bag of rice, or you say the force on this bag of rice, times the distance in which you have lifted it up, or you say times the height which you have lifted it up. Understand? Then, if you lift it up and able to move a distance, a horizontal distance, the work done in carrying this rice from maybe say 2 meter distance will be the weight of this bag of rice times the distance you've covered carrying it. So if the weight of that bag of rice is 200 newton, if the weight of that bag of rice is 200 newton and the distance you've covered is 2 meters, that means the measure of work you have done is what? 200 newton times what? 2 meters, which equals to what? 400 joules. The unit for measuring work is joules. The unit for measuring work is joules. The unit for measuring work is what? Joules. Or you the or another unit for measuring work is since it is force times what? Distance or height. Force times distance, or you say force times height. And the unit for force is newton, and the unit for distance or height is meter. So another unit for work done is what? Newton meter. So the unit for work done is either you call it joules or you call it what? Newton meter. So work is just a measure of the how much distance you can carry a particular load to. So this bag of rice, if you can carry it vertically upwards, say a height of 10 meters, good. The work you have done in carrying that thing will be the load, which is the weight of this bag of rice times that vertical distance, which is called height, that you have covered. And then, if it is that you carry it on a horizontal distance, the work done is what? The weight or the force that you have overcome times the distance you are able to carry that to reach. You understand? So that is it, an introduction to work. Thank you.